Do you want to know how to make money on YouTube? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and I also have this YouTube channel here. So naturally quite a lot of people have asked me, how do you make money on YouTube? And because I have been asked so many times, I decided to record this video here where I, based on my years of experience, will share 2 realistic ways to make money on YouTube. And I will go over the do's and don'ts because there are some very important details you need to consider to find out if this is even the right way for you to make money online. So before I go over the 2 methods you can use to make money on YouTube, there are just a few things I want to make clear why I have chosen to go over 2 methods, because I know that some people, when they're looking to make money on YouTube, they're just looking for a little bit of extra cash here and now without having to put in time and effort to wait for it to build up. And there are options for that, and I will talk a little bit more about that. And then there are people that are interested in growing a YouTube channel, having a channel. The first option, do you not even need a YouTube channel? For the second one, then you need a YouTube channel, and I will talk a little bit more about how can you then do that and what you can realistically expect from that and what kind of things you need to consider to do it with the right approach to optimize your chances of succeeding. So no matter which approach that you're interested in, then I will talk about these here and give you some tips and tricks about what you need to do and what you definitely should not do, because that is just as important to know. So the first option I want to go over is the one where you can get started right away, completely for free. It does not have a big earning potential. The second one has a very big earning potential, but it requires more effort. So if that's more what you're interested in, just use the timestamps in the description below here to jump forward to that section. But here I just shortly want to say that a lot of people are interested in getting paid just to watch YouTube videos, and there's a lot of fake claims about that, and this is not something you can make a lot of money from. Some people claim you can make hundreds of dollars. That's just clickbait. It's not true. But there are some sites that will pay you to watch videos. And that's why I just decided to include it here, because that's a very easy way to get started, but the earnings are very limited here. So that's what you need to consider. I have a full video, you can see it here on the screen here, that I have published about getting paid for watching YouTube videos. I will leave a link in the top corner here also, so you can watch that. That will show examples of some legit ways to do that, and also how much you can earn. This is if you are going for these fast, easy ways to do this. If you want to potentially build it up to a real online income by using YouTube, then the next option is for you, and that I will go over a little bit more thoroughly, because I have several tips that I want to go over, what you definitely should not do and what you should do to optimize your chances of succeeding. So the second option I want to talk about is if you are serious about wanting to build a real income online by using YouTube, because it is possible. For that you would need a YouTube channel, and I will go over 4 things you need to consider to optimize your chances for success, because there's a lot of fake claims about this as well. But first I want to go over one thing you should definitely not do, because this I have seen has become a trend for people that are trying to make money online by using YouTube, and that is creating these money-making channels that are full of BS, to say it mildly, meaning making these claims that you can watch $600 per day to watch YouTube videos, you can earn $27 per videos, you can watch one video and earn $36. There's like so many channels that makes these crazy claims, and their videos are just random numbers, and they have never tested the platforms. And yes, some of these channels grow big and they do earn money, but on what expense? They are wasting other people's time, and yeah, maybe they make money, but by wasting other people's time and by lying to people, for me, that's just one thing you should make sure to stay away from if you want to make money on YouTube. Stay away from the clickbait, stay away from the lies. It's only worth it, in my opinion, if you can make money while giving people honest information that also helps them. If not, it's just not a fair way to make money online. And there are ways where you can both help people, you can be honest, and make money for yourself at the same time. And it doesn't have to be make money online YouTube channel, anything like that. It can be about anything, but I will talk about that a little bit later now. This was just the first thing you need to avoid if you want to make money on YouTube. Avoid all this BS. There's enough channels like that. We do not need more like that, and people will become more and more critical. I get comments every single day where people tell me about these lies they have been exposed to on YouTube and how they do not really trust a lot of people and how they are thankful for me finally telling the truth. And that makes me feel good. I know that I do not only make money on YouTube, I actually also help people and help them avoid wasting their time. And that's definitely an approach you should go for. So that's the first thing, avoid all this BS. So let's then go over 4 things you should do to succeed if you want to make money on YouTube. So the first thing you should do if you are interested in potentially building a really good income by using YouTube is to build a proper YouTube channel. And anyone can build a YouTube channel. But when I first started also, I just tried it out and I did really not get any subscribers for the first year or year and a half actually, because I had no idea what I was doing. I did not know how to optimize it. And I tried to watch a few YouTube videos explaining how to do it, but it's like randomly put together and I did not get any results with that. So the first thing you need to do is to learn to build a proper YouTube channel. And to be honest, if you want to take a shortcut to success, then you should learn it from someone that really knows how to do it. I have myself also paid to take courses to learn to optimize a YouTube channel. I have a video where I show a couple of my recommended options for that. I will leave a link in the top corner here, and there you will learn exactly how to do that step by step. You will get all the help you need and all this, and if you do that and put in the time and effort, because that's also a key, you need to be willing to put in time and effort to make this work. But if you do that, then you will dramatically increase your chances of success. And I would definitely recommend, if you're serious about that, invest in a course from someone you know that really knows what they're doing, that have done it themselves. And as mentioned, I am talking about a couple of options I know are really good in a video I have left a link for in the top corner here. You can just try to do it yourself and maybe eventually will succeed. But I will be honest with you, the chances of success, if you're just trying it out, will be small, or it might take you many years compared to getting really good results in a few months if you just follow steps taught by someone that really knows how to do it and that has already done it. So that's the first thing. You need to build a proper foundation, a proper channel. Once you then have done that, there's a couple of other things you need to do. The second thing you need to do if you want to succeed on YouTube is that you need to think long term. Many people think that they can create a YouTube channel and then start making money tomorrow or in a week or in a month. For very few people that will be the reality, because you start from scratch and it takes time to build up. It's like anything, any online income, any income in general, it will take time to build up. And if you go into it expecting to make money tomorrow or even in a month, maybe even in a month and a half or 2 or 3 months, and you might not see a lot of income, you might see a little bit, but you might not see as much as you hope, and then you will stop. That's the main reason the majority of channels never succeed, because they just give up when they don't see results super fast. This is a long-term game. Think about it, saying like, okay, if I put in this and this much effort, I publish frequently, I follow some of the other steps I will share here, and then where will I then be in maybe in a year and a half, 2 years, or just in 6 months, you will start seeing really great results if you are consistent. But you need to think long term. If not, you will stop before you will ever start seeing any income, and that's very important to understand also. So the third tip is related to what I started talking about that you should not do, meaning using this BS and clickbait and all that. You need to focus on quality, because this gives you long-term results, because if people know you give honest information. And as mentioned earlier, it does not have to be a YouTube channel about making money online. There are millions of YouTube channels that make really good money talking about any topic basically. So it can be any topic you are interested in. There will be options then to make money on YouTube, but you need to focus on quality. Do not lie to people. Help them. Think about, what can I do to give people helpful information? Then people will start watching your videos again and again. They will trust you because they know you are honest. And at the same time, you can feel good about what you're doing. Of course, I can get bitter sometimes when I see people that have videos where they're just lying that they get hundreds of thousands or millions of followers, where I just know they are full of BS. But I don't care about that because I think long term I want to focus on quality. It makes me feel good. It makes the people that I make videos for feel good. And I build relationship with people. They get to know me. I get to know them because we know that we can trust each other. And that's what it's all about. That means that you make money by doing something that is actually good, that can make a difference. So definitely make sure to focus on quality. And if you decide to take some kind of YouTube course, as I mentioned earlier, I would suggest if you're completely new to this, then do some research and find a person that has this approach, that has this honest approach, because you can find a lot of people selling courses where they will teach you these fake methods there. So stay away from that. Find a person that speaks the truth. So the last tip I wanted to share is a misunderstanding many people have. They think that they need to rely only on ads to make money on YouTube. And definitely the ads that are showing will help you make money. And I definitely appreciate that I get some earnings from that as well. But it's not the only way to make money by using YouTube. And that's something you should more think about long term once your channel starts growing and building up, that you should not only focus on when can I get ads and when can I get paid for ads. Also think about what other ways you can use affiliate marketing, you can use sponsored content, you can do all kind of things there as your channel grows. So it's just to give you the right long-term thinking also, that there are many opportunities, and the bigger your channel grow, the more opportunities will come up also. And again here, if you do take a proper course, then you will learn about a lot of different ways you can do this. This is just to give you an idea because I've been asked so much about this, and I just wanted to set some things straight about what you can expect and what you cannot when it comes to making money on YouTube. So overall, to sum it all up, you can definitely make money on YouTube. There are a couple of different approaches. As I showed, if you just want to make money here and now, tiny bit of extra money, then you can just follow the tips and tricks I gave in my video about how to make money by watching YouTube videos. I have a link in the top corner here. But if you are more serious and want to build it up to something bigger, then you should definitely make sure to get your own channel. But it's not enough to just create a channel. You need to do it with the right approach. Learn to build a proper channel, do it with focus on quality, think long term, and be aware that there are many different ways you can make money on YouTube once you have a proper channel. The key thing here is that if that is your approach, you need to be willing to put in time and effort to build it up. If you're willing to do that, you can definitely end up getting a successful YouTube channel. And I have a video, as mentioned, where I talk more about my top recommended ways to learn to build a successful YouTube channel. People that I have also learned a lot from myself, because you need to do that to shortcut all the traps that there are if you want to make money on YouTube this way. I will leave a link below there so you can watch that video and then find the right option for you. But no matter what, I hope this video here helped you get some perspective about what you can expect, because a lot of people, they go into making money on YouTube with the wrong approach and the wrong idea, and then they will definitely end up failing. If you use one of these two methods here, now at least you know what you can expect from each of them and what is required from each of them, and then you can make your choice based on that, what is the right option for you. And if this video here helped you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.